To understand phrasal verbs with word up, we must understand the full meaning of the word up. Up has a literal meaning, the direction up. But it also has figurative meanings, and these other meanings are taken from how we experience the world around us. So first we have the literal meaning of up, the direction, which give us phrasal verbs such as pick up and go up. These are describing a direction of movement. Pick up the coffee cup, so you can drink from it, or go up the stairs. However, this upward movement can also have the abstract meaning of increasing in quantity. Sales have gone up this month. For example, last month they were 40, this month they are 50. Can you fill my car up, please? I need more petrol. I am full up after eating 3 cakes. My body is full, there is no room left for cake. When we start to think about increasing the quantity of something, in a lot of cases, more is better. So up can also mean an improved state. Something is better than it usually is, or it has been improved. I like to dress up when I go to a restaurant. I wear my best clothes. I want to look good. We can also use up to describe the orientation of something. Here's another example. Imagine that you have a glass of water on your desk and you knock the glass so it falls and spills the water everywhere. The glass is not in the correct position or orientation. Before you can pour yourself another glass of water, you have to reorient the glass into the up position. You have to make sure that it is ready to receive the water. The glass is prepared. This meaning gives us phrasal verbs such as set up and warm up. I want to set up a new business. It means I want to start a new business, to prepare my new business. Or I like to warm up before exercises, to prepare your body for rigorous exercise. An upward movement of any object from the floor can make it easier to see. Once the object reaches eye level, you can view it and it's easier to recognize. Thank you for bringing up that important point, right? In this case, we want to make sure people are aware of something, to bring up something. At the party, I went up to her and asked her to dance. So I approached that girl so that she could see me. I was visible. When we can see something clearly, we are also in a better position to be able to understand it. I looked up information on Wikipedia. I searched and found information. I read up on the solar system. I read a book or facts, and now I have more knowledge. Up is more than just a direction. Although it does have its literal meaning, which is commonly used in English, up can also have the abstract meanings of more or increasing, better or improve, to prepare or make ready, to view clearer or understand better. You will hopefully notice that most of these abstract meanings of up and their phrasal verbs are about changing something for the better. So they are all positive changes.